Hi, my name is Carson O'Danny, and I will be talking to you about PFL, the sales and marketing tool. A quick summary of PFL is it is a sales marketing tool that is generally used for direct mail. PFL connects straight to the CRM of Salesforce. The direct mail feature can be automated to generate the perfect responses at the perfect time. This sales and marketing tool is typically used by marketers and salespeople, as it can be used effectively for both. PFL has over 12,000 active users who utilize the PFL marketing and sales tool. What PFL does. PFL uses automated direct mail, meaning that they send out marketing and selling emails automatically, and also the feature includes automated responses based off of whatever kind of response they get back. Marketers and salespeople can personalize these direct mails by sending out whatever kind of emails they need. It can include whatever they want, and they can scale this to whatever size they want. PFL measures from the data that they receive on their selling and marketing, and they utilize the data that they receive to optimize their efficiency for selling and marketing. And like mentioned earlier, PFL connects with the CRM Salesforce. How it works. Connects with Salesforce. They use automated direct mail. Salespeople and marketers personalize, and they have a 15-minute delivery notification. So what this 15-minute delivery notification does is once the seller or the marketer, whoever it is, sends out their email, the receiver will get a notification after 15 minutes. And after that 15 minutes, there will be a task that can be automatically created in Salesforce. Also, with the automated direct mail, if a future client, a prospect that a marketer or salesperson is looking for, once they respond, that will also create a task or a follow-up type of email instantly. So it can really maximize the communication between a marketer or a salesperson. How does it help a sales team? It can be personalized, and it is scalable, like I mentioned earlier. So, for instance, say a salesperson is trying to get out to 300 people. They can customize an email individually for each person, or they could create one email and they could send that exact email to over 300 people. However, 300 is just a random number. It could be hundreds of thousands, and however many they really want. It also helps because it is more efficient. It's more efficient, obviously, because it's automated. Almost everything that's automated is more efficient. A salesperson, a marketer, they aren't going to have to go print off a letter, put that in the mail, and then wait days, weeks for that letter to get to whoever they're trying to reach. And since it's more efficient, you help build stronger connections. You can connect sooner, quicker, and in better ways. Obviously, there's an alternative to just calling people, but not everyone is always available to call. And that's why emailing automatically is a great way that can help a sales team. It also reduces print costs. So like I mentioned earlier, salesperson or marketer, they aren't going to have to spend money on mail or printing or paper or ink or anything like that. Is it user-friendly? It is very user-friendly. PFL is automated, like mentioned several times. It can be easily personalized. And with the 15-minute delivery notification feature, it's just perfect. You don't even have to go into Salesforce and create your own tasks. It creates it automatically for you. And these are just three of the bigger aspects that make it very user-friendly. Not to even mention how scalable it is and many other reasons like that. My impressions of PFL. It's very user-friendly, like I just mentioned. It reduces advertising and marketing costs. And by reducing your advertising and marketing costs, you're increasing your ROI, which is your return on investment. So with these things, I believe that PFL is very beneficial to have. To conclude, PFL is an automated direct mail system, sales and marketing tool that connects straight through Salesforce. By reducing your marketing and advertising costs, you're going to increase your return on investment. And you can also create stronger connections. And those stronger connections, to recap, are built by the automated direct mail. Instant responses to whoever you're trying to reach, or just more efficient and personalized and stronger emails are sent, which create those stronger connections. PFL is a great sales and marketing tool that I would definitely recommend for almost any business. It's very efficient and very beneficial for a sales and marketing team to have. Increasing the return on investment is obviously very beneficial, and this tool helps with that. PFL should be used generally by salespeople who are looking to gain stronger relationships and should be used in more of a cold call scenario. Obviously, emailing is not cold calling in the exact sense, but it is a form of cold calling as you are reaching out to prospects or anyone that you're trying to reach out to out of the blue, really. That is what your cold calling means. So PFL does that for you, and it's all automatic. It's all very efficient and very beneficial for a business to have. Here are my references. Thank you for listening.